Are you tired of worrying about your Dropbox getting hacked? It is a real fear, right? You have all your important files up there, and all that is standing between a hacker and your data is a single password. Passwords get stolen, they get guessed, they leak in data breaches. But here is the good news. You do not have to rely on just that one password anymore. I am going to show you how to lock your account down with two-factor authentication, and it only takes a few minutes. So here is the plan. We are going to head into your Dropbox settings, turn on two-step verification, and then choose the method that works best for you. Whether that is a text message or an Authenticator app, I will walk you through it step by step. Let us get started. First things first, open up your web browser and go to the main Dropbox website. Just type in dropbox.com and hit enter. It is pretty straightforward. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account using your email and your current password. Now, if you are like me, you probably have a ton of tabs open, so just make sure you are on the right one, alright? Now that you are logged in, look up to the very top right corner of the page. You will see your profile icon. It is usually a small circle with your initials or a photo. Click on that. A little drop-down menu will pop up. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where all of your account options live. Now look across the top of the Settings page. You will see a row of tabs like General, Account, and so on. Go ahead and click on the one that says Security. This is where all the important stuff happens. Scroll down through the security settings until you find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Sometimes it might be called Two-Factor Authentication. It is the same thing. You want that turned on. Click the blue button or link that says Turn On. It is usually right there next to the description. Dropbox is going to ask you to confirm your identity first, so it will prompt you to enter your current password, type it in carefully, and click the button to continue. This might take a moment to process, but it should be quick. Now here is the big decision. You will be asked to choose a verification method. You have two main options. You can use text message, where Dropbox sends a code to your phone every time you log in. That is simple and works with any phone. Or you can use an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Personally, I recommend the app method because it works even if you do not have cell service and it is considered a bit more secure. But honestly, either one is way better than just using a password alone. Pick whichever feels most comfortable for you. After you make your choice, just follow the on-screen instructions. If you picked text message, you will enter your phone number and then type in the code they send you. If you picked the Authenticator app, you will need to scan a QR code with your phone app and then type in the 6-digit code it generates. It is really simple and the screen guides you through every step, and here is the really important part. After you finish that initial setup, Dropbox is going to give you a set of backup codes. Pay attention to this one. These codes are like emergency keys. If you ever lose your phone or cannot get a text message, these codes are the only way to get back into your account. So do not skip this. Save them somewhere safe, print them out, or store them in a secure password manager. But do not just leave them on your desktop where anyone can find them. Once you have saved those backup codes, go ahead and complete the final verification step. Dropbox might ask you to confirm your method one more time. Just follow the prompts, and that is it. You should now see a message or a green checkmark confirming that two-step verification is turned on and active. From now on, every time you log into Dropbox from a new device, you will need your password and that code from your phone. It adds a huge layer of protection, and it takes that worry about getting hacked off your shoulders, so you are no longer relying on just a single password. You have locked things down. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who might need the same peace of mind. And hey, if you want more straightforward security guides like this one, there are plenty more where this came from. Stay safe out there.